Hi guys, what are we doing here? We are upgrading the RAM of Lenovo V155-15 from 8G to 20G, which is maximum allowed. In prior to that, we must check if the RAM or SODIMM really fits the laptop, so please check it on the Lenovo website. After that, we need to prepare some tools, small Phillips or crosshead screwdriver, and an opener. Plastic is better because it's less possibility to damage the laptop bottom cover. Firstly, we have to unscrew a dozen of small screws on the bottom cover. Here one needs to be patient and meticulous.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
As you can see, I forgot to unscrew one of them and ran into a little trouble. Following that, please carefully separate the bottom cover from the body of the laptop. Replacing the SODIMM itself is pretty intuitive. Replace the cover over the module, pull the small levers on each side and remove the old module. Insert the new one and put the metal cover back on its place. Now we have to screw it up. This is a kind of reverse job and it's much easier than before. Press the bottom cover to its place, but be careful around the DVD drive if you have it. Well, we didn't screw it up, but we wanted to test it first. So, as you can see, the Windows 11 is booting up normally, which means we have replaced the memory successfully. See you in the next video.